Hello viewers, I Miss Simran welcome all of you to our channel Let's Know History by Professor Kamakhi Prasad Das, HOD History, Government College Koraput. Now, I would like to present comprehensive question answer session prepared by our HOD Professor Kamakhi Prasad Das sir based on CBCS syllabus. Success and sustainability go hand in hand. One who sustains against every odd and hardship of life gets success and contributes higher value of his achievements to the posterity. So also, human culture sustained against all hardship of nature while producing its best classical achievements through ages. The Neolithic age was not exception to this. Let's know something about this age through this comprehensive question answer session. Question 1. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Mehergarh? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Mehergarh was 7000 BC. Question 2. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Burjahom? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Burjahom was 2700 BC. Question 3. Where is the Neolithic site Gufral located? Answer. The Neolithic site Gufral is located in Kashmir. Question 4. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Gufral? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Gufral was 2000 BC. Question 5. Write two characteristics of the Neolithic site Gufral. Answer. The two characteristics of the Neolithic site Gufral are their occupation was agriculture and animal husbandry, and they used polished stone and bone equipments. Question 6. Where is the Neolithic site Chirand located? Answer. The Neolithic site Chirand is located in Bihar. Question 7. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Chirand? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Chirand was 2000 BC. Question 8. What kind of tools did the people of Chirand use? Answer. The people of Chirand used tools and weapons made of bone. Question 9. Where is the Neolithic site Piklihal located? Answer. The Neolithic site Piklihal is located in Karnataka. Question 10. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Piklihal? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Piklihal was from 2000 BC to 1000 BC. Question 11. Write three characteristics of the Neolithic site Piklihal. Answer. The three characteristics of the Neolithic site Piklihal are the people of Piklihal were cattle headers, they domesticated sheep, goat and cattle. As mounds have been found in Piklihal. Question 12. Where is the Neolithic site Piyampali located? Answer. The Neolithic site Piyampali is located in Tamil Nadu. Question 13. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Piyampali? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Piyampali was from 2000 BC to 1000 BC. Question 14. Where is the Neolithic site Utnur located? Answer. The Neolithic site Utnur is located in Andhra Pradesh. Question 15. What was the time span of the Neolithic site Utnur? Answer. The time span of the Neolithic site Utnur was from 2000 BC to 1000 BC. Question 16. Which metal was used for the first time in Neolithic age? Answer. Copper metal was used for the first time in Neolithic age. Question 17. Where do we find the Neolithic remains in eastern India? Answer. We find the Neolithic remains in Assam, Bihar, Bengal and Odisha of eastern India. Question 18. In which provinces of central India we see the remains of Neolithic period? Answer. In Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh of central India we see the remains of Neolithic period. Question 19. Which kind of caves of Neolithic age has attracted the attention of historians in Neolithic period? Answer. A kind of small rounded cave with walls attracted the attention of historians in Neolithic period. Question 20. From which place of India the small rounded cave of Neolithic age have been discovered? Answer. From Assam of India, the small rounded cave of Neolithic age have been discovered. Thanks for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.